Hello, good people. Welcome back to this channel. This is Young TV. Welcome to how to dance Gengetone part 3, and let's get into it step by step. Number one dance, it goes like this. You gotta to be in a good position so that you can be able to dance well. Then you go 1, then 2, then 1, 2, 3. Then you rotate 1, 2, 3. You get it. So I'm gonna do this style in a slower motion so that you can get to understand. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna put your hands like you are doing a thumbs up. You see? Then you put your right hand first, then your left, then you go with your right hand. Is like you're making a circular motion like this. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Then you rotate 3 times. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. You get it? Let's start from the top in a slower motion. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 with more energy. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. I can see you're getting it into 1 second dance style. This is a it's like 2 style in 1. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then ta 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 ta. You get it? So here is the trick. It's like you're moving your lower side of the leg, your back side of the leg in front. As you're pushing with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. One side, 2 times. 1, 2, 2 side. 1, 2, 2. And that's it. So I'm gonna do this style in a slow motion so that you can get to understand. And you finish like this. It's like you are cutting your body in 3 parts: chest, waist, and low and knees. You go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you have to move in a curvy way downwards. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ta 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 ta. You get it? Let's do it in a slower motion again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ta 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 ta. And that's it. That's our second style. And so guys, I'm gonna join the 2 dance styles so that we can come up with a good routine. I'm gonna do each and every style twice so that it can look a little bit longer and creative. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Go round. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ta 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 ta. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ta 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 ta. Guys, that is it. So if you like these moves, please smash on that bell button and make sure that you subscribe on this channel to get updated each and every time that I post a new video. Till next time, peace out.